This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Janice Johnson. Home have had lots of updates: AC 2016, water heater 2015, new kitchen countertops, cabinet handles, and faucet 2020, new stainless steel backsplash 2020, fresh paint all rooms 2020, new flooring in both bathrooms 2020, new light fixtures 2020, new support post for carport 2020. Great room, 3 bedrooms, eat-in kitchen, laundry closet west/gas and electric hookup for dryer and new laminate flooring throughout home, patio and chain link fence. Move-in ready. Call me today for more information, review the details below or contact Janice Johnson at 501-835-2122.